guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be teaching you Butata by Pablo. And if you want to learn dance, just keep on watching. Before we start, let's mirror this video. Ayun, mirrored na. So my left is your left and my right is your right.
If the video is too fast, adjust the speed to 0.5x or 0.75x in the YouTube settings.
Let's start. So our very first move, we're going to face here on our right. And then for our hands, we're going to do first sigaw like this. So parang sumisigaw, sigaw. And then next, we're going to go agad. So para siyang malakas. Okay, so sigaw, agad. Again, sigaw, agad. The next, we're going to go down, wala. So you're going to squat and then papunta ka dito sa ibaba. And then yung dalawang kamay mo naman from here up, we're going to put it down, down. Okay, again, 4, 3, 2, go. Sigaw, agad, wala. And the next is butata. So here, we're just going to go up. And then yung isang kamay natin is nilalagay natin here on our left open. And then yung isa naman is nandito sa itaas. Butata, like that. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. Sigaw, agad, wala. Butata. And the next, we're going to go close. So from here, we're just going to step forward. Step. So i-close natin yung right natin. And then yung kamay naman natin from here, open, we're going to close. Close. And then yung ulo mo, ida-down mo din. So from here, butata, tag. And the next, we're going to go 1, 2. So, magsi-step tayo ng isa dito sa ating left. So from here, butata, close, and then 1, 2. So you're going to step 1, step. And then yung dalawang kamay naman natin is going to go forward and then forward. From here, punta kayo inside and then push. And then inside, push. From butata until here. 4, 3, 2, go. Butata, close. And then 1, 2. Ulit, sabay natin here. 4, 3, 2, go. Sigaw, agad, wala. Butata, close. 1, 2. And then next, we're going to go 3, 4. Dito naman, diba, galing ka dito. So you're also leaning here on your left. So 1, 2. And the next, we're going to go 3, 4. So, yung paa natin, mag-step tayo sa right 2 times kasabay nung kamay. So, yung left natin is naka-straight na ganyan, nakakamao. And then yung ito naman, we're going to wave. Wave, and then wave. Magsisimula yung wave dito sa wrist. So, wrist, and then balik, and then wrist, and then balik. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. So, 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. Okay, ulit, 3, and then up, and then 4. Ulit, 4, 3, dito. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the next, we're going to go 5. And from here, we're going to go 5. So, yung katawan mo, you're going to kind of lean here on your right. And then yung kamay naman, nandito sa taas yung isa. And then yung isa naman, yung right, nasa ibaba. So, from here, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay? And then we're going to switch. 6. Again, 4, 3, 2, go. 3, 4, and then 5, 6. And the next, we're going to go 7 and 8 and tag. Dito naman, di ba, first you're leaning on your right and then you're going to go left. And the next naman, pupunta ulit tayo dito sa right and then to turn tayo patungo dito. So from here, tag, tag, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then magsistep tayo ng 4 na beses starting on our left. From here, tag, tag, and to step in your left, 1, and then 2, 3, 4. Okay, so patungo tayo dito sa may right. So yung unang step, para kang magsa-stop. So from here, tag, tag, we go, tag, stop, and then 1, 2, 3. Mabilis na yung patungo dito. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then tag. The next, para mo siyang igaganito, like, para siyang pa-inside, so igaganon siya pa-inside. So, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and then tag. Ulit tayo dito. 4, 3, 2. Sabay sigaw. Agad wala. Butata. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Pag. And the next, we're going to go pag. So, di ba yung ginawa natin dito is dito tayo sa left. Ginawa natin. Next naman, we're going to do the same move but here on our right. So, nandito tayo. We're going to face in front. And then, igaganito natin yung paa natin. So, tag. So, patungo dito, inside, tag. And then, yung kamay mo naman is igaganto mo lang siya. Tag. And the next, we're going to go pag. So, di ba, dito una yung right. Right? And then next, pupunta ka dito sa harap. Yung kamay mo, igaganto mo siya. So, nakaganyan siya. Kagitno yung palad. And next naman is para mo siya ipipitik. Pitik. So, from here, going to go front. Okay? And then, yung paa mo naman, di ba, dito ka from here, tag. Going to go pag. Then, isi-step mo lang itong left mo. So 1, and then 2. Ulit dito, 4, 3, 2, go. 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Pag, and 8, and then 7. And then next naman, pagpunta dito, 7, we're going to go 6, 5. Okay, so you're going to face here on your left onte, and then yung paa mo naman, we're going to go up, and then up. Okay, so pupunta mo lang siya sa taas, up, and then up. And then yung kamay mo naman, we're going to do a wave. Wave, and then wave. So parang siyang same dito. Ulit, wave, and then wave. Ganyan. So isasabay mo siya ng pataas, and then you're bending. So tag, and then tag. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. And then pagkatapos dito, we're going to go up. So, itataas mo itong left mo from here, tag, tag, taas. And then yung ulo mo naman is para mo siyang ililin dito sa my right, and then lalagay mo yung isang kamay mo dito. So, tag, ganyan. Then you're going to go down. So, pagka down mo naman, gaganto ka, and parang kang like, you're super tired, like parang zombie, ganyan. Then yung ulo mo naman, we're going to go left, right, left. Gaganto mo siya, starting on your left. Left, and then right, and then left. And then, yung katawan mo, isang kaganto ka lang. And then, left, right, left. Ulit from here. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And the next, we're going to go tag, tag. So, magsistep tayo first on our right. Step yung right, and then i-up mo yung left. Okay? Step, and then ida-down mo siya. From here, tag, and left, right, left, and then step, step. And then, igaganto mo yung ulo mo. Papumunta mo siya dito sa may right. So, yung dito din pala, from here, tag, tag, tag. Yung katawan mo is para dahing leaning here on your left. Ulit, from here, 4, 3, 2, go. Tag, tag, and left, right, left, and then step, step, and then tag. Pagka dito mo, you're going to lean kind of here on your right. And then, step ulit tayo. Step, step. Okay? Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. Tag, and left, right, left, step, step, tag, then step ulit. Ulit tayo from here, 4, 3, 2, go. Tag, and 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, and 3, tag, tag, 2, tag, tag, 1. Let's start again from here, and then slow music tayo. 4, 3, 2, go. Sigaw agad, wala. Butata, close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, tag, and 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, and 3, tag, tag, 2, tag, tag, 1. The next naman, we're going to go, oy. So, yung dito naman, para kang like, you're smacking your friend. Ba nakaginto ka la. So, you're going to go up. Yung kamay mo na may gaganto mo siya, para kang may sinasapak. And then, yung paa mo, you're going to lift your left. So, from here, tag, we're going to go, oy. And then, we're going to do varsity walk 5 times, starting with our left. So, from here, we're going to go, oy, and then left, right, left, right, and then left. Yung varsity walk is parang ganito siya, like ganyan, okay? So, nakaganito yung paa mo. And then, you're going to step first on your left, and then 5 beses. So, first on your left, left, and then right, right, and then left. Yung sa pang-5 is gaganito ka. Okay, so para kang pogi. 2 beses. Tag, tag. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go. From here, we're going to go, oy, parang inakala mo. Tag, and tag, tag. And the next, we're going to go down. So, pagka down mo naman is parang kang gorilla. Like, gaganyan ka. Okay, so yung 2 kamay mo, nakaganito, parang malakas, pero nasa baba. Then you're going to squat. And the next, you're going to put up your shoulder. Up, up. Okay, so up, up. And then we're going to step on our right and then left. So, up, up, and then right, left. Start again from here. 4, 3, 2, go. Oy, parang inakala mo. Tag, and pogi, pogi, down, up, right, left. And the next, we're going to go pag. So, yung dito naman, para kang kakaldag fa forward. So, from here, we're going to go up, and then down, and then up, down, up, down. Okay, so up, down, ganyan. And then yung kamay mo naman from here, down, up, we're going to go 1. Okay, so papunta mo siya dito sa taas, 1. And then next, we're going to go 2. So pagka 2 naman ng kaldag, yung kamay mo from here, nakaganto siya patungong right, papatungo mo siya dito. Okay, so pa left, so right, then left. Ulit, 4, 3, 2, go, tag, tag, and then 1, 2, and the next, we're going to go down. So from here, 1, 2, pagka down nito, ida-down mo din yung kamay mo, and then we're going to go mano, 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 dalawang beses. And then yung hips mo, same lang, tag and tag. Okay, ulit, 4, 3, 2, go, gorilla, and then 1, 2, and 3, 4, ganyan. And then next, we're going to go 5, 6, so, sa step yung right mo, and then yung left mo na kamay is agaganto siya. So, from here, we're going to go tag, and tag, down, mano, mano, and then 1, right, and then left, left, ganyan. And pagkatapos niyan, pupunta ka sa harap, 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 and then you're gonna do whatever pose you like. Ulitin natin dito sa gorilla, and then balik tayo sa varsity walk. 4, 3, 2, go, down, up, gorilla, and 1, 2, down, 3, 4, 5, 6, and forward, forward, tag. Ulit tayo dito sa may varsity walk. 4, 3, 2, go. Oy, parang inakala mo. Tag and pogi, pogi, down, up, right, left, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and forward, tag, and tag. Ulitin natin yung buong sayaw. From here, sigaw. 4, 3, 2, go. Sigaw agad, wala. Butata, close. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 8, 7, and 6, 5, and right, left, right, step, and tag, and then step, and boy, parang inakala mo. Pogi, pogi, down, up, right, left, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and forward, forward, tag. So that is it for the whole dance, and I hope that you learned something. And if you do, please don't forget to click the subscribe, click the notification bell beside it so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Also, meron pa akong maraming tutorials on my channel. You can just check them out. And I have a TikTok account at Anna_Bilsig where I post dance covers, dance tutorials that are slow and weird. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye-bye!